Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Chinese New Year! And today is the 6 days of Chinese New Year and we have been eating a lot during the last few days. So today I intend to make something simple by using some Chinese sausage with some chicken meat to make a simple Cantonese style home cooked dish. It is steamed Chinese sausage with chicken. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And of course, together with some mushroom and some 𝐻𝐢𝐿 fungus. Let me show you how to do it. First thing first, let me show you what are the ingredients that is required. It's pretty simple, only 5 major ingredients besides the seasoning. Chicken meat cut into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. You can either use chicken thigh meat or breast meat, it's up to you. Chinese sausage. And this is called cloud mushrooms, 1yi in Cantonese. Or if not, you can use the one that is slightly bigger and thicker, that is called 𝐻𝐸, wood ear mushrooms. Some red dates and some dry mushrooms. First, marinate the chicken. Light soy sauce. Sesame oil. Salt. A little bit of oyster sauce, which is optional. Cornstarch. Some Chinese wine. Some cooking oil. Mix well, then marinate for at least half an hour. Cut the red dates. And remove the seed. Add some water to the cloud ear mushrooms to rehydrate it. Do the same for the dry shiitake mushrooms. Next is the Chinese sausage, a pair of Chinese sausage, and I'm going to blanch this Chinese sausage in boiling water for a short while. Blanch the pair of Chinese sausage in boiling water for about half a minute. Blanching helps to loosen the casing and make it easier to remove it from the sausage. Cut the sausage into thin slices diagonally. Now let's return to the cloud ear fungus. It has already soaked for about 15 minutes, fully hydrated. And you can just leave it that way, or if you think it is too big, you can cut it into half. After the mushroom has rehydrated and become soft, cut the mushrooms into slices. Now let's put everything into the steaming plate. Combine everything and spread all the ingredients evenly. Set up the steamer to steam the chicken, sausage, and the mushrooms over high heat. I've steamed it for about 17 minutes. Let's take a look. It's now cooked, so let's remove it from the steamer. During the steaming process, it creates a lot of gravy, and this gravy is best to mix with some plain rice, and it is incredibly delicious. That's how to prepare steamed chicken with sausage and mushroom. a typical Cantonese home cooked food, and I hope you will love it. And I have included the recipe in the description below the video. Please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.